दोस्तों आज मेरी तैयारी का है डे 62 और जो मेरा टारगेट है दैट इज़ UPSC 2024 उसके लिए दे रहे हैं ओनली 307. So let us see what will be my today's schedule, but before that we have to look what I have achieved from my yesterday's schedule. Okay, so as you can see, today is 24th of July 2023 and yesterday was 23rd of July. Friend, yesterday was Sunday, so I made this target of revision of whatever I have studied during last 1 month. I set target to 2, that's revision, but unfortunately I didn't complete that thing. I did this thing technique learning, I did sociology unit 4 social thinkers revision. I tried to, basically this was the cause of failure. I tried to do its revision, but I was not able to complete that. Even I was not able to recall. I thought I have forgot all things, so these things create a setback as a trigger point for me. So that's why I am not able to do revision of all the remaining things. Okay, so today I will do basically the same thing, not same thing in terms of this, same thing I will set as a target. I will do 9 to 10, I will do technique learning, and then from 11 to 12, basically this I have already done social thinkers, so I will not do this thing again. Sociology unit 4 social thinker. Instead of this I will do these things like as you can see, GS 1 2 3 4, it's revision retrieval number 3. I will do retrieval 4. Okay, and 6 to 8 is my buffer time. I will try to do something during this time. If anything remaining, then I will do that thing during this time. Then 9 to 10 I will do planning for the next week, and 10 to 11 I will do co margin again, this thing. So this is my today's schedule. I hope I will achieve this. Please subscribe to give me confidence, and okay, thank you.